side to side comparison of Lowa Z8 boots, Zephyr boots, 8 inches. These are the new models and these are the old models. These have been put through a lot of rough use. These are brand new. So at the outset, this is a size 10.5 UK. This is a size 11 UK. Yes, but I'm quite surprised when I put them next to each other. I find that the soles are in fact exactly the same length. And so how is it that this is a 46 and this is a 45? EU 46, EU 45. So I've always suspected that what shoe manufacturers do is that they have standard 10, 11, 12 sizes, and for half sizes they do something on the inside, probably with the insole thickness, to create these half sizes. Now in both the boots, the first thing that I noticed is that the amount of leather that is used, you will find that there is one long patch of leather here. However, in the new one, there are two pieces of leather. So this is one patch, small patch, and then there's another patch of leather. So probably here and also behind, you will find that there is leather here. There is no leather here. Front also, you will find that there is leather here. This entire piece is leather, and here there is only one small piece of leather here. So they have reduced the amount of leather that they are using on these boots. Apart from that, they look similar. This looks more spread out because this has been used for longer duration. This is not spread out at all because these haven't been worn as of yet. I'm sure when I keep wearing them or start wearing them, they will also spread slightly and take the shape of my forefoot. In the rear, you will find there is a small difference. So this is the major difference where you can recognize that this is the new model and this is the old model. You will find that this model is still on sale in the markets, and now I sincerely think that if you end up buying this model from the market now, it will definitely be from the old stock, and then you might have a case where you will have the polyurethane outsole falling apart much faster because this is old stock and polyurethane soles do not fare well when they are kept for long durations without being worn. So now if you do wear or buy these boots, please buy the newer models. Try and avoid the older models unless you get them at a very good discount. The older model also did not have this tongue for the laces. The newer model comes with this tongue for the laces. So that is also one difference which I have noticed. Both of these boots are Gore-Tex lined. Another difference is that the new one comes with these variable tensioning clips on the laces, whereas the old one came without variable tensioning clips on the laces. However, these were very easy to lace. You just pull the laces and they cinch up really nicely around your feet. There was no problem. Here this value addition is now actually making it difficult for you to cinch it up in one go. You have to fiddle with these to get the tensioning and to pull up the laces as per your liking. So this was working just fine. This is a value addition which was probably not required, at least in this model. It was as it is working fine enough. The outsole design has changed. This has become more flatter. This was more spread out. This also has lugs, mind you, but the pattern has changed between the two. So apart from that, not much has changed. I think it's just a midlife update. I think this is the only real change, and the lesser use of leather. Leather has been removed from here, which used to be here earlier. I think they should have kept this leather, but they've reduced it from here. So again, maybe cost saving. So these are the two boots. They were pretty good. They are still very good, and I hope to get decent usage from my boots. The Lowa Z8 Forces. Thank you.